Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Mercedes key. Today we're going to need a 2032 battery. These are quite a common battery and they're available at most stores. So we'll stick that to one side for a moment. We'll get straight into it. If we flip the key remote over, there's a little silver button here. If we press that and pull out, this releases the emergency key. Should you can't get in your vehicle for any reason and the remote fails, this will get you in. Normally via the passenger side, around the door handle area, there may be a cap to be removed to reveal the lock. It varies from model to model, but that will get you in if this fails. Okay, let's get straight into it. If we flip it over and we just put the emergency key just under the edge of the back corner, and this will just release, we'll pop that down for a minute, the back of the key remote. And there we go, we're in. Okay, so your battery is located in this area here. So if we turn it side on, pick up the emergency key again, this is designed to just go in there nicely. And if we just flick that up, this will reveal the battery. And there we go. The battery is in, positive side up, negative side down. So just remember to put that back in exactly the same way. Just get a small screwdriver and just release it out like that. Carefully you don't damage any of the terminals in the battery, which are here and on the base. Okay, and we'll get the new battery, one I've taken out the packet earlier, which is here. Your positive side is labelled on the battery, and that's the smooth side. Your negative side is always slightly domed underneath, and as this came out, it came out negative side down. So we're going back in the same way, negative side down, and that's placed in there. And if we get the cap again that we removed, that hooks in at the bottom, and click, it's into place. Get the back of the key, line everything up nicely. Now you will find there are two tabs on the bottom of there, so hook that in there like that. We're back in. Emergency key, only go in one way. Slide that back in, clip that in, that's in. That's job done. You should be good to go. Hope this was helpful for you. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.